I have wasted years of my life and I don't want to waste another one. That is the reason that I'm making this video. I actually made this YouTube channel years ago. I remember how excited I was. I wanted to record my life, document my thoughts, my little learnings. I had so many ideas. I just wanted to document everything of my life. Not because I wanted to become famous or something. Honestly, I don't think I even cared about that. One place where I could be myself. And then life happened. I don't even know that if I could explain it properly. But have you ever been in survival mode for so long that you forget who you were before it? That's what happened to me. One day became another, then another, and another. I wasn't thinking straight. I wasn't thinking about my dreams, not even thinking about YouTube. I wasn't even thinking about the future. I was just thinking, please let today be peaceful. That's it. There were days when getting out of bed was my biggest achievement. There were days when eating one meal felt like I've done something big. There were days when I looked outside my window and thought that I made it through today. Many people talk about surviving, but nobody really talks about that what it steals from you. It steals your voice. It steals your confidence. It steals your excitement. Everything. It steals everything. And slowly, it steals the person you used to be. And the scariest part of this process was that I stopped expressing myself. I started checking every sentence before I said it. I think, should I say this or should I be quiet? And after doing that for a long, long time, you stop knowing what you actually think. And few months ago, I found this YouTube channel again. It felt strange. It was like looking at a version of myself who still believed anything was possible. And I just sat there thinking, where did she go? Then I read something. It said that the exact opposite of depression is expression. I don't know if that's true, but I noticed that keeping everything inside and living in fear didn't save me. It only made me numb even more. Then that's when I realized that this channel was never really about YouTube. It was about me. I needed somewhere to exist, somewhere to have little pieces of myself, the thoughts I'm having today, the lessons I will learn tomorrow, or the mistake I'll probably make next week. I want all of it because one day I want my future self to look back and remember that she kept going even when life was hell messy, even when she was scared, even when she had no idea that what she's doing. I'm not reviving this channel because I have figured out my life. Honestly, I think I am more confused now than I have ever been. But maybe that's okay. Maybe you don't have to know everything, where you're going. You just have to start walking. Take one step at a time. I am pretty sure there will be days when surviving is all I can do. Days when I don't want to pick up the camera and record myself. Days when I question everything. I am not promising that those days are over. I am just promising myself that I won't disappear again. I will show up for myself because I have no other choice and nobody else will show up for me. And maybe someone watching this feels exactly the same. Maybe you have spent so long trying to survive that you have forgotten what it is to simply be yourself. If that's you, I hope this channel feels like a safe place. Not because I'll have all the answers, but because I'll tell you the truth, even when it's messy, even when it's uncomfortable, even when I'm still figuring it out. So, this is me, starting again, not because I'm fearless, I'm still scared. I'm just more scared of looking back 5 years from now and finding another empty YouTube channel, wondering what would have happened if I had just pressed the record button and published it. Not this time. This time I am choosing myself, showing up for myself. One video at a time. Yes, I will do this time. Welcome. I am really glad you're here.